Today we're diving into Ditto, a music distribution platform that promises to get your tracks on all major streaming services. But does it deliver? Let's explore its features and see if it's really worth your time and money. Ditto Music is designed to help independent artists distribute their music without the hassle of traditional record labels. It offers a straightforward interface where you can upload your tracks, choose your release date, and select the platforms you want to distribute to, like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. What stands out immediately is how user-friendly the platform is. You can get your music online quickly, which is crucial for artists looking to capitalize on trends. The dashboard gives you insights into your sales and streaming stats, which is great for tracking your progress. However, some aspects feel a bit vague. For example, while they mention global reach, the specifics on how many countries or platforms you can distribute to aren't super clear. Also, the lack of detailed guidance for new users might leave some feeling a bit lost initially. When it comes to Ditto, the pros are pretty compelling. It's straightforward and the pricing is competitive, especially for independent artists. Plus, the ability to keep 100% of your royalties is a major plus. On the downside, some users report frustrations with customer support, which can be an issue if you run into problems during your release. Additionally, while Ditto offers a decent range of services, it lacks some advanced promotional tools that other platforms provide. If you're an artist looking for extensive marketing support, you might need to look elsewhere. Overall, Ditto seems best suited for independent musicians who want a quick and easy way to distribute their music without the red tape of a label. In conclusion, Ditto is worth considering if you're an independent artist looking to distribute your music efficiently while retaining your earnings. However, if you need robust support or marketing features, you may want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice, but just know what you're getting into before you commit.